MBG fam, how y'all doing today? How are y'all doing today? Before we get started, we're gonna go ahead and pray, and then we're gonna get to eating. Amen. I hope you guys' day has been as blessed as ours. So today, y'all, I'm eating some barbecued fish with some macaroni and cheese and some collard greens and cabbage mix. Go ahead and get some of that. Take a good look. All right. Hope you got a good look at that. Miss Honey is here. Miss Honey is here. Y'all been messaging Miss Honey. So she has, on the side of me, she has her plate as well that has her mac and cheese and her fish and greens mixed with cabbage. So we're gonna go ahead and get to eating, y'all. It is exciting times right now, y'all. So, fam, give y'all a bite. So, we have hit our 200 subscriber mark. At this point in time, we are a little over 200. I just want to thank all of you. All my new subscribers. We moving, fam. Mm-hmm. We are moving.
Ooh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm. Take a bite of them greens.
Really hot.
Man.
Yeah, the greens are good.
Yeah, everything is good. Kidding me? Y'all, everything is going great.
It smells good. That barbecue sauce.
Let me taste this barbecue fish, y'all. It is good, y'all. Yo, I'm trying something new with my lighting. Let me know in the comments if the lighting is on point, how it looks on y'all end. One thing's for sure, it's hot.
Yeah, hot.
So for some reason I think it's like, on my end, it's like, I don't know, going in and out on the camera, I don't know.
Yeah.
But let me know.
It's weird.
Let me know. Eat my left-handed there.
Macaroni and cheese is cheesy.
Macaroni and cheese. Cheese is heck.
Yeah, it is.
And hot.
See that?
Get a bite of Miss Honey's.
It's good.
On the side, y'all, my drink, we got some cranberry juice. Let's see. It's refreshing, y'all. Man. Drop in the comments, let me know what y'all eating on this day. This day that is named the holiday. Let me know what y'all eating. Y'all, I did it again. Listen, do me a favor. Make sure you comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Increase. And make sure you share. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Tap the notification bell. That way you are aware every time that I upload a video. How could I forget to tell y'all that? That is the reason why we are growing. And growing fast, y'all. It is awesome. Thank you for all the shares. Continue to share. The good part about it, it don't cost nothing. What you drinking over there?
Sparkling ice. I love this. I love these. 0 sugar.
So yeah, drop your comments. What y'all eating today? I'd like to know. You ever had barbecue fish? Man,
It's good. I know it is.
crazy. Let me know what y'all did today, what y'all doing today. If you don't got nothing to eat, pause the video, get your snack, get your meal. Y'all, Saturday night was fun.
Oh yeah, we had fun.
We had a blast
Yes.
on Saturday night just passed. If y'all missed it, we did it live. Me and Miss Honey. Thank y'all to everybody who came out on the live and chilled with us, man. We did a 4-hour live. It was awesome.
It was lit. That's what the young people say. It was lit.
That's what they say. We had good food. Good music. It was awesome. Yo. Hot. It's all right though, we're gonna get it. But yeah, y'all. It was so fun. We'll definitely be doing that again. Definitely.
It's definitely. This food is great. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's been such a long day. I don't know why I feel like that. Maybe it's because it's Monday. I don't know. But we still powered through it though. We powered through. Whew. Oh.
What?
Yeah, if it ain't hot, I don't know what it is. For real.
I'm not sweating.
Maybe it's because I'm a big guy. I don't know, y'all.
Yeah, you are.
Sweating like a mug out here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's crazy. That light stopped going up.
Yeah, it's the light.
In and out.
It's that light.
Oh, it's the light that's making me sweat, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it looked like... Right now it look bright. See, now it look dim to me. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why that is. But again, let me know in the comments if y'all see that.
Man, this is good.
Well, I know I'm not talking about y'all, but y'all excuse me. Fresh. I love me some cranberry juice, boy. Make sure I keep dropping those comments. I appreciate all of them. For the most part, I think I get back to all you guys, all the fam. Normally pretty good with that. Responding. So, as we continue to grow as a fam, I'm gonna have to figure something else out with that, I guess. But for right now, we're still able to get back to everybody. Definitely appreciate the interaction. It was humid today. It was a very humid day.
It's 91.
Yeah, 91 degrees.
It's gonna be 103 tomorrow.
103 here tomorrow. Crazy.
The kids go back to school on, let me see.
What's the day? Is it?
I have one that goes back on 7th, and then I have another one that goes back on the 8th.
They're not happy. Some of the fam, oh, excuse me. Some of the fam children probably started already.
Oh yeah.
Depending on where you live at.
Yeah, depend. I think down south is August, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they get out early.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, because I know when I was down there, I was getting out in like May. Yeah, got out in May. Yo, look at that.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, almost lost it.
Don't drop it.
No, I'm just trying to get him some. Oh.
Eating that up, that's it. Good gracious almighty.
Never mind, I was about to say something. Y'all about to be mad. I'm about to be bad. I can't do that. We'll have to edit it. Yo, I'm sweating up a storm over here, y'all. But it's okay. I'm sweating for the fan.
I'm cool as ice. Call me Cool Breeze.
Not me. God dang, I'm sweating. It's all good though.
Yeah.
You done? Almost?
I'm eating those greens.
I don't want none of yours. I got mine.
Greens are amazing. How long did I let them cook? Let me see.
2 hours.
Like 2 hours, yeah.
Yep, about 2 hours.
Yep.
Yeah, about 2 hours. Gotta let them slow cook.
Right.
When you do your greens, y'all. If you haven't tried it, mixing with some cabbage.
Yeah.
Phenomenal.
Ooh. Coming up at the end.
We're gonna have coming up. We're gonna have some more seafood bowls coming up.
Yeah.
We're planning. We got some things planned for the future, for the near future. Definitely appreciate all the love on the videos.
Yeah, the videos are doing good.
It's the fam. And already definitely couldn't be where the channel was at if it wasn't for y'all. So I definitely definitely appreciate y'all. Yo, what is going on in the stores, man? Like, you go in the stores, like, on a lot of the shelves, it's like nothing.
Well, that was today I noticed that at Walmart.
It wasn't just today, though.
Well, today is when I really noticed it, though.
I noticed it the other day. I'm like, yo.
Well, it's a holiday, you know.
True.
Yeah, so.
True. But,
It's amazing.
I almost lost that one. I noticed that before. Like
Back
certain,
to school, too, you know, people.
yeah, but like certain items, it's out like non-perishables and stuff like that.
Okay, yeah.
Be low.
Yeah.
I don't know, y'all. Looks like they're running out of certain foods or something. I don't know. I wish I had some more to eat with y'all. I don't know if I talk too much in this video, y'all. God dang.
Oh, man.
That's why I was eating with my left hand, because.
Oh, you keep hitting me.
Yeah, but you all up on me.
I'm not all up on you.
Yeah, you are. You always all up on me.
You.
What's that?
Nothing.
Oh, y'all. I can't wait for the near future and what it holds for the fam and this channel. Yeah, it's some more things in the works that I won't mention right now. But we're gonna continue to grow, fam. We're gonna continue to grow, and Lord willing, continue to get the support of the fam. And I continue to be there for y'all. And listen, as long as y'all thumbs it up, sharing out, you know, we're gonna continue to pump out, continue to pump these videos out for y'all. So, there ain't no plans to stop.
That's right. Your next goal is what?
So the next goal, y'all, last time I checked, which was maybe about an hour ago, we were at 202 as a fan. We were at 202 subscribers. Y'all, the next goal is 500. That's the next goal. We're going to hit 500, y'all.
Yep.
When we hit 500, we're going to have another celebration. We're going to celebrate again. So, listen, continue to share out. Continue to thumbs up. Continue to subscribe. You know, my newcomers, share it out. We're going to just continue to grow, man. It's exciting. I'm enjoying every minute of it with y'all. Enjoy the interaction. And I was thinking earlier, too, one day I want to go live and do a meal live.
Oh, okay.
I want to do a meal live. I want to hit that 500 though. First though, I want to hit that 500. That way when we go live, man, we can talk, we can eat together, you know, have interaction with one another. Uh-oh. That's all right. I'm washing away. So, I got something on my shirt and messed myself up. But for real though, that's one of my plans. Is I want to go live with y'all, do a mukbang live, and yeah, conversate back and forth. You know, y'all ask questions, and yeah, we just kick it. So that's definitely in the future. Another live will be another tongue tied. Another live will be coming up soon, y'all. And again, there are some things planned for the future, and I can't wait to wait to get it cracking with y'all. We rocking with y'all for real. Definitely appreciate you. Miss Honey will be making, more appearances.
Yeah.
More appearances. So, y'all see her beautiful face.
I know.
Loving all the comments from Miss Honey. Whoop, shook the camera. It's all good. Loving all the comments for you. Everybody sending Miss Honey a lot of love, too.
Is that a heart? Bloom. Ain't no heart. This is a heart, ain't it?
You can't even make a heart. You gotta put it down like this. See? Bloom. There you go.
Thank you, guys.
If that was a heart.
Hey, I tried.
Yo, y'all comment down below, man. Send Miss Honey some love. Send her some hearts. But yeah, y'all, we got out of here. I just wanted to really get on here and thank y'all. The next goal is reached, and we are going to keep moving. So,
that's right. Keep growing.
Keep growing. Yo, keep growing personally.
Yep.
Keep personally developing. Keep pushing for the goals that you have, and don't stop.
Nope.
Don't give up.
Keep going.
Jeez, my shirt all messed up today, y'all. Don't stop. That song say, "Don't stop, get it, get it."
Yeah, that's right. Don't stop.
You gotta keep moving. Yo, things are gonna get in the way. No matter what gets in the way, don't stop moving.
Right. Keep going.
You gotta go. I mean, sometimes, yo, it's good to, in the midst of what you're doing, to kind of take a time out.
Yeah.
And breathe a little bit. But I mean, that's like me. Some days I have days that I don't record. You know what I mean? So everything's about balance. But you gotta keep pressing for your goals, y'all. I mean, that's my, in short, that's my message.
Right.
For y'all today. Keep pressing for your goals. It will happen.
That's right. It'll happen. It'll happen right before your eyes. It will happen.
Right before your eyes.
It will happen.
Because right before my eyes, the fam hit 200.
Yes.
And then I looked back and it was over. Like, right before my eyes, I was in school. And now I'm... So things happen.
That's right.
Things happen. So just keep pushing forward, fam. I think we're going to get ready to get up out of here.
Yeah.
And we got to...
clean the plates.
We got to... Yeah, you did clean yours. You clean yours more than mine, didn't you?
No, it's equal.
We've got to do some planning for the future. We got something else coming up real soon. Can't let it out the bag yet, y'all, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. So, definitely appreciate y'all. And remember, comment down below.
That's right.
Give this video a thumbs up.
Thumbs
Increase. Make sure you share. Don't cost a thing for you to share.
That's right.
And new subscribers, subscribe. Tap that notification bell. That way you're aware every time that we upload a video. So this is your motivation big guy.
And Miss Honey.
And Miss Honey. Yo, she funny. You can't forget Miss Honey.
No, don't leave me out.
Remember, you can do anything that you put your mind to. Don't let anybody ever tell you can't do it.
That's right.
You stay persistent, consistent, and motivated, y'all. This is your motivation big guy, where we bring you positivity, peace, love, and the real, y'all. Peace.
Peace.
Peace.